What is the story name?
The Clever Rabbit and the Elephants.
What are the characters involved in this story?
Elephant King, other elephants, King Rabbit, and other rabbits.
Where elephants were living?
Forest.
Is it a green forest?
Yes.
What happened one day?
No rain coming.
If rain is not coming, what will happen to the elephants?
They will die soon.
So, what other elephants told to the king elephant?
What will we do? All the lakes and ponds are dried up. The king elephant said, "We'll go to another pond. It will be so much water. I know the way." The king elephant got other elephant to the other pond.
Where the rabbits were living?
Burrow of the other side of the lake.
So, when elephants came to that lake, what happened to the rabbits?
The elephants dived into the lake. The other rabbits got rumbled and told the problem to the rabbit king.
What king rabbit told to other rabbits?
I'll go to the king elephant.
Did king rabbit went to king elephant?
Yes,
What king rabbit told to king elephant?
your behavior because the moon is angry.
So, how to solve this issue?
The elephant said sorry to the moon and saw the moon's own reflection. The moon became happy and other elephants went away. The other rabbits lived happily ever after.
What is the moral of the story?
Always choose a wise person as your leader.
Thank you.